First, we got the iPhone 11. Hey guys, it's Penelope from Pela Labs, and today I'm just so excited because you guys keep requesting that we drop some iPhones. So you know what we're doing today? We're dropping some iPhones. So today we got the iPhone 11 and the iPhone 11 Pro. We got Canopy, our very own liquid screen protector on both of them. And let's get some Pela cases and drop this shit. First up, the iPhone 11. That was 3 feet, let's try 4. Five feet. That's 6 feet. Seems so tall. There's no way that's 6 feet. I don't know why you'd be dropping your phone from up here, but let's try 7 feet. Let's see 8 feet. Camera guy? Here we go, 8 feet. Wow, that was crazy. Let's try the iPhone 11 Pro. Okay, moment of truth. We got the iPhone 11 Pro and the iPhone 11. We're gonna drop it from 20 feet up. We got the Pela fam here watching. Let's do it. First, we got the iPhone 11. Okay, so next we got the iPhone 11 Pro. So there's 3 cameras on this one. Let's see how it does. 20 feet. Wow, that was a successful day in the Pela Labs. We dropped 2 phones, the iPhone 11 Pro and the iPhone 11, and they're good to go. 20 feet, people. Just hugging iPhones around. Like, pass!
Yeah, good thing you caught that.
It's hard not to catch something.